Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author and artist, and I do a lot of books on how to draw. And you can see them all at my website, www.christopherhartbooks.com. Today I'd like to show you how to draw a cat from a simple shape. It's a round shape, almost an oval. And here is the neck. That's pretty good, huh? Here is a center line. So it's kind of on this side, so he's facing a little that direction. Eyes are a little high up like this. Not so slanted, not so slanted. If you know my videos, you know that we always give ourselves permission to make adjustments, to erase things. It's important to be able to do all that. All right, so I'm going to put one eye over here and one eye over here, like that. And we'll make this darker as we finish. I'll be kind of a bright-eyed guy. I tuck the eyes into the corners, and you've noticed the pupils become ovals. These are no longer round, they're ovals, up and down ovals, like this. And the bridge of the nose, since he's facing this direction, this part is more prominent. And that means this becomes curved to the left, and this is curved to the right. See that? It's no longer even. Now I'll give him a split lip. Famous split lip which dogs have and cats have. A little tiny mouth below. Just a little opening like that. So crease here for the smile, and same thing here. And we give a little indication of the chin, and now because he's a cat, we'll bring those cheeks out like this, and same thing on this side. And big ears over here at a 45-degree angle, facing outward. And we can also give them some markings. Lightly fill in this so it gives them some depth. And same thing here. A couple of whiskers. And we are just about there. Kind of a nice looking guy, huh? Kind of peppy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Hey, I have new videos every Monday. Please subscribe and join me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.